Hey.
On the way, baby, let's go.
Ready to shred.
Camera. This is just how I naturally look.
Definitely fits, right?
ABC and Salem.
Until of the base.
I miss music bus.
Cheers.
Let's do a cider. You all look so terrifying in this light.
It's game time.
I'm getting a little bit of anxiety.
Tommy, how we feeling? Hell yeah. Good shit. Got the post-show Duolingo action going on. Stay on the grind.
I'm freaking abnormal right now.
Hey guys, what am I saying?
Zoe, how do you feel about the show?
I thought that it was really fun. I thought that it went well. I tried to move more as per your request.
And it was great.
Yeah, we had some moments.
I turned to Hunter and I was like,
Yeah, but that's not fair because you're not.
Hey.
It kind of hurts my feelings.
don't stop.
Bye. I love you.
Final stop of the night.
Loading the car.
Dropped the girls off already. Just the last little pieces of gear.
Great fucking show.
Great night. Hell yeah.